Hello and welcome to our video today on metric conversion. We're looking at how to move between different measurements of weight, capacity and length in the metric system. Okay, so to start with, we're going to start with length. And you might remember the centimeter ruler, but 10 millimeters, as we can see here, equals 1 centimeter. So each one of these little marks here is a millimeter, and there's 10 of those in 1 centimeter. There's 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter. The key there is the word milli, meaning thousand. So you've got 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter, and then 100 centimeters is the same as 1 meter, and 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. So that's the basic conversions: 10 millimeters to 1 centimeter, 1,000 millimeters to 1 meter, 100 centimeters in a meter, and 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. So if we're making an exchange here between millimeters, centimeters, meters and kilometers, this is what we do. If we're changing millimeters to centimeters, we're going to divide by 10, because there's 10 millimeters in a centimeter. So for example, if we've got 23 millimeters, we divide it by 10 and we get 2.3 centimeters. If we're changing centimeters to meters, we'll divide by 100. So centimeters to 345 centimeters, divide it by 100, we get 3.45 meters. And with our meters, we're going to divide the meters by 1,000 to get to the kilometers. So if we've got 2,345 meters, divide it by 1,000 and we get 2.345 kilometers. But what about working backwards? Well, we start with kilometers. If we multiply our kilometers by 1,000, we will then get our meters. So if we've got 1.23 kilometers, multiply that by 1,000 and we get 1,230 meters. Don't forget to put the 0 on the end there as well. Meters to centimeters, we're going to multiply by 100. So if we've got 6.3 meters, we multiply that by 100, we get 630 centimeters. And then centimeters to millimeters, 23 centimeters will be 230 millimeters. So that's our length. What about our weight? Well, we here have got 1 kilogram or 1 kg, which has got 1,000 grams in it. So there's our 1 kilogram weight. We've got 1,000 grams in it for each kilogram. So like the length, when we're changing grams into kilograms, we're going to divide by 1,000. So if I've got 345 grams, divide it by 1,000 and I'll get 0.345 kilograms. And inversely, when we're going from kilograms into grams, if I've got 2.45 kilograms, I'll multiply that by 1,000 and I will end up with 2,450 grams. So that is weight. And finally, let's have a look at capacity. In capacity, we're dealing with liters and milliliters. Again, the word milli, thousand, we've got 1,000 milliliters equaling 1 liter. We can see that on the measuring jug here as well. So if we're changing milliliters into liters, we're going to divide by 1,000. So 5,600 milliliters would become 5.6 liters. And again, liters to milliliters, we're going to multiply by 1,000. So we've got 0.45 liters, multiply that by 1,000 and we'll get 450 milliliters. So that is how we exchange and change units within length, volume, length, weight, and capacity. Thank you for watching. There'll now be some work for you to do on this on the following parts of the program. Thank you for watching.